Service Kent State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, southwestern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania until 10 p.m. At 8:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dunn Canyon, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations are Carlisle, Lower Allen, Colonial Park, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, New Cumberland, Enola, Steelton, and Lemoyne. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 224 and 239, and from mile markers 247 to 253. Interstate 81 from mile markers 48 to 68. Interstate 83 from mile markers 40 to 48. Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for south central Pennsylvania. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. A tornado watch remains in effect until central Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland and Dauphin.